Hi guys, if you want to know how I went from this monitor setup to this setup. First of all, as you can see, everything is cluttered here. I purchased this desk from Amazon, and you can see both sides have plenty of space. If I have a little bit bigger table, that will be great, but I could not find anything which fits in my corner. So here you go. You can see the work in progress now. I already have attached one leg, which I purchased from Amazon. With project panel, I purchased it from Lowe's. This is 2x4 panel. And this leg actually is pretty heavy duty. It's rated for 800 pounds. Yes, the pair rated for 800 pounds. So maybe it's overkill, but it just looks good. That is the reason I purchased it. And this panel is actually 1 inch thick. So it's much thicker than what I had before. I think I had before even less than ½ inch and thickness of my old desk. But that is even the cardboard, not really solid wood. But this one is pretty solid wood, and you can see the wood grains in there and everything, which I prefer, And here you can see again my keyboard is sitting on the top of piano, and everything looks cluttered a little bit, even though I have dual monitor setup, but which I would like to change it in future, and I already purchased the monitor. So here you go. This is the work in progress again. So I was able to use the legs from the previous table, and this is 3-piece desks basically. So one is 2x4, another one is 2x4, and then there's a 1 foot piece there. The reason is, just to get a bigger space as possible. So that's where you see this leg, that's where the old desk ends, and in this one I get even much more space than that. Now I'm going to change the layout for sure of the middle legs, because I'm using from the old desk, so they should look even, and they should match with the new legs. Here you go. I was able to change their layout, and now they're supporting the table from the middle. They have an equal space in between of them. So yes, I mean, so far it looks pretty good, and looks like they made for each other. All these legs, it doesn't look like those 3 legs are just came out from somewhere else, because they also are same color and everything. So I still need to do a polyurethane, need to fill up these gaps right here, and the cut gaps. That's gonna stay there. I might want to stain more the middle piece. It looks a little bit lighter color. It doesn't match with the other two, so I'm gonna do that, and I will come back with the updated one. Here you go. This is updated desk, pretty much ready to go, and the color are matching now. The gap in the cuts are filled up, polyurethane coated like 7 times. It's overkill, but it looks good. I was able to add a shelf there. I did not want it to add another leg. It would look weird, so that's why I just hang it with the wire. It's rated for, I would say, 60-80 pounds, this wire, so it's not gonna break. And yeah, it looks good. So let me put my stuff on it, and then I'll show you guys how it looks. So guys, this is desk. This is the final, and I'm really excited to use it. As you can see, everything looks much better than before now. You can see a nice desk shape. It's reaching all the way to the corners. I left a little bit of space on this corner particular because I would like to add my guitar right there. So I left some space, and you can see there's a footrest. There is a chair, of course, and I opted for a stand for my keyboard because I wanted to move it if I need it in future, either on the other side of the L-shaped desk. If I went with the shelf, then I won't be able to do that. So that's the reason I didn't want to go with the shelf. And this stand does have a locking wheels and everything, so it will stay in place. So yes. And as you can see, I went for dual monitor setup. One is curved screen, and the other one is vertical. This is what I liked it, and this suits to my work and usage. As you can see, my mic is there, comes from back of the monitor, so it stays out of place. The stuffs are right there, my keyboard, my trackpad, things like that. I added shelves on the top and a middle shelf also. That one I had it before, so I stained it, and I polyurethane to match with this L-shaped desk. As you can see, it looks like a part of it, pretty much. and still there's some clutter there, but that stays behind the monitor, so I don't see it much when I'm working. So yes, it's finally, I'm really excited. And as you can see, I added some accent pieces on the side, some plants. There's one on the corner. So yes, guys, this is really came out as I wanted. Maybe I could make it better a little bit, but again, there's always room for improvement. If in future, if I want to make some other furniture, I will apply that experience in that also. So, but still, it came out pretty good. Nice finish. I still have some space left on this side, about 1.5 cubic square feet. And in this side, even I have even more, like 2 square feet spaces available. So I can add another monitor in future if I need to. So you guys can tell me, how do you like it? If there's anything else I could do, or I could add in there. But to me, so far it looks good. As you can see from the front view, it looks good. It's much better in this corner. It's using a lot of space of this corner, not leaving any space left. And footrest is there, so when I need to rest my foot, if I'm working for long here or sitting for a long time, and even I don't need this stand, I can just slide back in, and so it doesn't interfere in any way. And table height is not really much. It's about 29 inches. So my chair handrest can also slide under the chair, under the desk, when I don't need to use it. So when I'm walking, so it leaves plenty of space. So yes, I tried to think about everything while I'm making this L-shaped desk, and so far it looks pretty good to me. So you guys can tell me what you don't like it or like it. Leave in a comment section below, and I will be more than happy to listen to your comments and thoughts. So guys, I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye bye.